Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to Temmy Crypto Live, where we discuss everything Temmy and everything crypto. Welcome to the show, everybody. So, first of all, I'd like to thank all the people that have been following our streams every day and that have been commenting on the our group, our Telegram group, and also on X. Thank you very much. And there are also some people also making comments on these videos on YouTube. Thank you very much for all the good vibes. So today we're going to be discussing a little bit about the ASI token, the new kid on the block. We're going to be looking at it and what we know so far. It seems to be launching on June 11th, and we're going to be discussing that. Also, we're going to have our section where we will trade Bitcoin as we did yesterday. We did that very successfully, and I'm gonna tell you how come that happened. And also, of course, we're gonna be discussing Temmy as well. And also the news, some other news that we can see on YouTube, basically the YouTubers that we follow every day. Okay, so let's start the show by taking a look at our Temmy to 1 million. So this is the mission of this show. This daily show is about promoting our coin Temmy. So what we want is to make the community excited about the show, about the coin, and to bring more people into our community and help the price move up. So Temmy to 1 million. So and let's take a look at the price and how we are doing on the chart. Let's see if I can do that now. Okay, and the screener here. Temmy. Okay, so as we can see, we're not doing so good. The prices come down a bit in relation to yesterday. Yesterday we were about 11.01, 11.02 now. 10.96, the change has not been that much, but still we are losing some ground, so we'd like to recover some ground. So please, if you really like what we do on this show and you want to be part of the community, I really encourage you to buy and hold some Temmy. It's going to motivate us to continue working for you. So this is Temmy. Let's move on to our website. Maybe we can take a look at it. I really like how it looks. Well, actually we had an update that for some reason doesn't show. It seems like the cache has to be updated or so. Yeah, this is not the page that that is currently showing. So if you want to see the actual current website, please go to temmy-crypto.com and you will see the new. Basically we've changed the picture, this picture here, one that has the YouTube logo here and our Temmy here, this Temmy right here. Yeah, so this is the pretty Temmy, this is the retard Temmy. Okay, well, the rest is basically the same. We're going to incorporate a couple of partners that we've been discussing with. I guess I mentioned that yesterday. We're going to be adding them in the coming days. All right, so thanks for that. And now we come to our news story. Okay, the news story today is the ASI token. I just came across the news. You can see here crypto AI merge of FET Ajax, if that's the correct pronunciation, and Ocean into ASI in 7 days. SingularityNet, Fetch AI, and Ocean Protocol join forces to create the ASI token, promoting an integrated AI crypto, announced for June 11th. The merger marks a key step towards decentralized AI innovation. So, these three protocols or three coins, I cannot say they're protocols, but 3 coins, 1 protocol are coming together to create this new coin. Now, how they're going to integrate this one exactly, I'm not so sure. The holders of these coins, will they be able to exchange their coins for the new coin? I'm not so aware of that. Probably we should go to the respective X account and check out what the procedure is gonna be. I personally don't hold these coins, so I couldn't tell. I've traded Fetch in the past, but I really don't know what the current situation is and if they have told their holders in advance of this move. I suppose so. Okay, so in conclusion, it says here the merger of SingularityNet, Fetch AI, and Ocean Protocol tokens into ASI marks the beginning of a new era for AI cryptos, promoting decentralized and collaborative innovation. Now, as everything in crypto, anticipation is key, so probably the price of these assets is gonna go up right before the merge. So if you're interested, maybe it's a good time to get in and buy some before they merge, and when the merge is done, probably the price will climb really fast, and then you know what usually happens is the price plummets right after the launch. So maybe a good idea to check out the news every day and see what's going to happen or what happens day by day. We have 7 days to plan our next move. Okay, so that's for the news for today. All right, we're back here. And our next section is gonna be trading Bitcoin. Now, guess what? Yesterday we were the price of Bitcoin was at 69,000, and we proposed a trade for you guys. Obviously no financial advice, but we said we would trade together, so that's what I personally did. I traded Bitcoin and bought some at 69,000, and we said the price would go up, and that's what exactly happened. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's see, let's go back to this one, and let's open our chart, the Bitcoin chart here. Okay, good. So, well, yesterday, as I said, the price was at 69 cents, and we anticipated a move to the upside. to 69,500, and that's where we said we should sell. That's what I exactly did, but I did not expect the price to go that far up, and I would have held my Bitcoin a little bit longer, but since I said I would sell at 69,500, that's what I did. And now we are going to prepare for our next trade, if there is a trade for the next 24 hours. So let's analyze the chart right now. There is strength to the upside, as you can see here. If we check out the previous moves of Bitcoin, when we had this move to the upside, we can really reach what percentage is this? Yeah, we're not even close to that that level. So what I can anticipate is that the price will continue going up, but we got to be careful because we are getting close to these levels here where people are expecting to take profits. So the level of 71,000 is dangerous. Let me see. This is the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at the daily chart and let's see if we can risk a trade or not for tomorrow. Okay, the move in the daily for the next 4 days, we expect the price to drop. There is some strength here in the move. So it would be quite risky to get into a trade tonight at the current price. So probably the best trade today is no trade at all. Yeah, let's go to the 1-hour chart and let's see if we have a very short-term trade. Not a very strong, not very strong move to the upside here. It seems like the move is dying out currently. So yeah, what I would do is not do anything. Yeah, I thought we had a trade for the next 24 hours, but unfortunately we do not. So if we return to the 4-hour chart, maybe we have a move to the upside. No, the price shouldn't go higher than $71,000. If we get to that level, that would be too risky. There is this zone here where people are looking to take profits. So if we reach 71,000, which is just $400 away, the price may drop immediately to a lower zone. So my my projection for the next 24 hours is either we continue going up to $71,000 and cents, and then most likely the price will retrace to a lower level. Okay, so it could be the price could be rejected at this zone. So it's too risky to enter a trade right now. So we just have to be patient and wait. So the trade for the next 24 hours is no trade I'm sorry if I disappoint you, but that is my analysis. If you think otherwise, you're free to take the trade you like. But this is what I see at the moment. All right, so this is for trading Bitcoin. That was what we had to say for trading Bitcoin. I hope you liked that section. Our next section is to check out our YouTube influencers, our favorite ones. If you have any favorite YouTubers that you want us to take a look at, just send a comment and suggest some that you like us to review with you. Okay, let's check out our feed. Hold on a second. Let's see here and here. Okay. So Rand this morning said they have no choice but to send Bitcoin parabolic. Very positive rant about Bitcoin. This was streamed 10 hours ago. I didn't actually see, but we can listen to him for some minutes. No, just a couple of minutes. Let's take...
In big time, you can collect big...
Please tell me if you can hear what he's saying.
Time cryptocurrency. It's real fun and easy. You can collect the big time token.
Okay.
95% of traders have actually underperformed Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin is not moving and 95% of traders are underperforming Bitcoin, then where are these guys getting the returns? Well, the answer is very, very simple. The only way to get returns is what this says, what this tweet carries on saying. It says, project with high concentration of mindshare within narratives. You got to find great projects with a high concentration of mindshare in big narratives. And that's exactly what I'm going to bring you today. I'm going to bring you one project with a very, 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 very high share of mindshare. And I'm going to bring you 5 projects on that project. And I think that if you get in now or you get in this early, then I reckon that you are going to make a lot of money. And
okay, so he's anticipated on certain projects into the RWA, real world assets narrative will do great. Let's see what crypto market cycle is different. Alex Becker, unexposed to Bitcoin and DXY. Problem bank list. Highest conviction bets and high mind share. Probably this is the... Okay, Caspa. Let's see. See this part here.
how we beat Bitcoin in the cycle. Number 1, we bought Arweave. Number 2, we bought Near. Number 3, we bought Pendle. Remember, these are all on the highest conviction. I mean, I'm trying to show you the highest conviction bets over here. Okay, so that's our highest conviction bet. Just look at the highest conviction bets here. Arweave, Near. Yeah, but we put ETH in here the other day. We put Pendle in here. We are part of the 5%, and the reason why we are part of the 5% is because we have our ear very close to the ground, and we know how to pick up narratives just as.
Okay, so he's boasting that he has picked the correct narratives. They included the real-world assets, some L1s like Solana, Sui, and AI, Near Protocol. So basically those. And he seems to be talking about here Caspa, which is an L1. Here he's talking about Caspa again. Memecoin launching on Caspa soon. So he's basically talking about Caspa. Then Base also Okay, and then there's an interview he does with somebody else. Okay, good. That's for Ran and Crypto Bunter. Is he the best 20x altcoin portfolio for crypto bull run? Okay, this guy possibly will be talking about. This is, by the way, Miles Ditcher, or however his last name is pronounced. I'm sorry if I mispronounce his last name. Let's take a look at a couple of things he says here.
And I'm also going to provide some honorable mentions for those that want to move down the risk curve.
He talks about real world
on January
assets
26th as a liquid play into the RWA sector. And
Ondo is that project that is heavily into real world assets. The next one is Deep AI and DeepN. The next one, memes. Of course, he's big on Pepe. He was actually lucky enough to be one of the early adopters of Pepe. Pepe coin here, right? DeepN. Ondo. Red Valley plus Lingo, I don't know what that is. That's unreleased. RWA, real world assets, of course. OM, I don't know. Okay, so he has a couple of things there that may be worth looking at. So it's always interesting to listen to what he has to say. If you feel like you should, please go ahead and watch his show. Any other relevant information that we can gather from our feed for YouTube? Not really. So the last thing we're gonna do is look at the performance of our altcoins, and that after we do that, we can call the show. So Bitcoin at 70,784, probably heading to 71,000 and a little higher than that, but not much higher. That's what I expect personally. And then BNB, wow, BNB is at all-time highs. I didn't expect this. Had I known BNB would do this, I would have bought some. Gosh, we missed the opportunity. Almost $700, unbelievable. Is BNB at all-time highs? Let's see, all. Yes. Yes. Wow. 695. All-time high. The last all-time high was 650 something on November 13th, 2021. Wow, okay. So, let me see if I'm, yes. Okay, so that's BNB. Let's go back and quickly take a look at the rest of the altcoins. Solana at $171, 4% up. Dogecoin up 2%, Toncoin up 8.81%. Wow, yesterday we were at $6.30, I think, so considerable increase in price. Avalanche up 3.60. Polkadot 3 points up. Near Protocol AI resurrecting 5% up. Uniswap 18% up. Wow, that's a great move. Pepe is falling behind 1.44%. And any other notable coin? Flocky up 12%, 12.68%. Maybe Pepe is interesting for a trade between today and tomorrow. Let's just take a look at Pepe quickly before we leave. Let's see, Pepe USDT, Binance. What do we have here? Oh yes, this is the 4-hour, but I don't see that much of strength to the upside. Oh, let's see, 4-hour, let's see the daily. No, daily looks pretty bearish, so no, I wouldn't take a trade on Pepe. Looked interesting at first, but not at the moment. Okay guys, so that's it for the show today. Thank you very much for being with us. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and above all, please buy and hold at least a little Temmy. You contribute to our cause, you build our community, and help us get encouraged to continue doing what we are doing every day. So thank you very much. I sign off for the show today. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day or night. Bye bye.